This video will walk you through the process of signing up for the Pose Method of Running training course online via ArmyIgnitED. This process consists of 3 steps: requesting a quote, creating an account, and requesting credentialing assistance. To sign up for this course, you will need a computer and your government ID. First up is requesting a quote. To do this, go to militaryrunning.com, scroll down, and select Request Quote. Please note, you can also request a quote at Romanov Academy of SportsScience.com or posetech.com. You have the option of requesting a quote for the training or the certification exam, so be sure to select the right option. If you need both, then select the appropriate checkboxes in the follow-up questionnaire. Click the button that says Request a Quote, and on the next page, you'll fill out a questionnaire, and once done, a quote will be sent to the email that you provide. Here's an example of what the quote looks like. Once you have the quote, the next step is to create an account on ArmyIgnitED. Go to ArmyIgnitED.com and click Get Started. Read the security notice and click through to the next page. Scroll down and click Create an Account. Follow the steps and fill in your info, then click Submit. Once you receive an approval email, you'll be ready to log in. Return to the login page, fill in your email address and password, and then scroll down to the button that says Sign in with your government employee ID. Make sure that your government ID card is plugged into your computer. Click the button that says Insert your PIV or CAC card and wait just a minute to be transferred to the home page. Now that you're logged in, it's time for the final step, which is to request credentialing assistance. Start by clicking the button that reads Add Credential. Review your information to make sure all of it is correct, then click the yellow button to advance. Next, for our course, you'll click the select button on the card that reads Other, and then click the yellow button to advance. On the next page, you will select whether this is a new credential or a recertification. For the vast majority of you, this is a new credential, so click that and then click the yellow button to advance. The next screen is where you will pick our course. The quickest way is to input keywords in the search bar. The 3 keywords that will pull up our course are running, Pose Method, and Romanov. Enter any of those into the search bar and look for our course below. For this walkthrough, we're going to select the training, so look for the course titled Pose Method of Running and click the button on the right that says Select Credential, and then click the yellow button to advance. The last page of this section is where you select methods of achieving your credential. Since this walkthrough covers the training, click the box that says Prepare for Credentials with Trainings. Check the box that says I understand and am prepared to fulfill the above requirements, and then click the yellow button to advance. The next page is a quick summary of all the steps you just went through. Review them and then click the yellow button to advance. Then click the pop-up button that says Continue with CA Request. If this takes you back to the home screen, click the yellow button that says Request Credentialing Assistance. On the next screen, click the drop-down menu and select our course, then click the button that reads Request Credentialing Assistance. The next page is your official credentialing assistance request form. You should see our course listed below. Click the Select button next to the course, then click the Next button to advance. On the next page, select a start date. This date must be at least 30 business days from today's date because that is roughly how long the approval process takes. Then, select an end date anywhere from 7 days to a month after the start date. When you scroll down to the bottom, this is where you will input the quote you requested at the beginning of this process. Click the button that says Upload File. Select the quote document to upload, and then click the button that says Submit Request. Finally, click the yellow button that says Done to complete the process. That will take you to a review page showing your current credentials. Our course should have a gray bar that says In Progress. Once approved, you will receive a notification from the ArmyIgnitED team that the credential has been approved and you can begin the course. Now, this only covers the request for taking our training. If you also need to submit a request for the certification exam, Then you'll need to go through the process again and pick the course titled Certified Running Technique Specialist. And that's it. If you would like to learn more about this training or the sign-up process, please visit militaryrunning.com.